Hi, I'm Monique with Walker Tape. Today we're covering Safe Grip, one of our first water-based adhesives. Safe Grip is a water-based adhesive that works for all hair systems. It's skin safe, waterproof, and dries clear. It's an extended wear adhesive that gives your clients 1 to 3 weeks of wear. This is a great product for your clients that prefer to use water-based adhesives that have an easy cleanup process. To use Safe Grip, prep your client's scalp with 99% alcohol. Apply a thin, even coat of Safe Grip to the scalp and then blow dry it until it's clear. Repeat these steps one more time. To complete the install, press the hair system to the skin and hold it firmly in place for 10 seconds. Remind your client to wait 24 hours before swimming, working out, showering, and shampooing. For more information on Safe Grip, visit walkertapeco.com and start shopping today.